You know, looking back at how long we had rumors swirling about the Pixel Fold, the day that I actually had this thing delivered and had it in my hands, it's one of the more surreal days of my tech life. It just felt bizarre after all that time. Years of rumors, it's coming, it's delayed, it's real, it's fake, it's called this, it's called that. For it to finally be here was just, like I said, a very surreal day. But of course, Google isn't going to stop with one foldable device. There will be a Pixel Fold 2, and who knows? There could be a Pixel Flip coming down the pipe as well, which I think will be very, very interesting. Typically on this channel, I try my best to avoid just showing you guys a news article on another website without, leaving reasons for you to go to that website on this video. It's going to be hard to do that because it's a really brief video. I do want to heavily encourage you, go click on the link in the description and go to this article because I'm going to have to just show you all of it. And I don't want to steal the traffic that 9 to 5 Google and Kyle Bradshaw for writing this would otherwise be getting. So please, again, click on the link in the description, go give them their hit. Go look at some ads on their site because they deserve it. Let's look at this headline. New Google Pixel Foldable Comet surfaces, possibly a Fold 2 or a Pixel Flip. I got to reiterate here before we go any further. We are early days on this one, guys. Like, we are early days. We don't know what this is yet, but something is happening. Okay, let's scroll down. What we're looking at here is an APK breakdown. One of the things that 9 to 5 Google does that I really, really like is they take applications from Google when they update something, their camera app or something like that. That is an APK. It's an APK file, like a .exe on your Windows computer. They dig into it, they decompile it, and they find weird little references to things in there that they can then kind of glean information from. So today, the Google Pixel Buds app got a new release. They dug into that and they found some interesting things. First off, they found some references to Shiba and Husky. We know that to be the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. Google likes to sort of pick a naming convention. Maybe it's dogs, maybe it's birds, things like that. And that kind of is how they group their code names. So Shiba and Husky are the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro. However, we got another code name, which is going to be Comet, as you can see here. Now, we don't really know what Comet is, okay? It's not a dog name, so it's not part of the Pixel 8 grouping of devices. And they go on to kind of tell you that, Pixel Fold was eventually codenamed Felix because it used the Tensor G2, just like the Pixel 7 series was Cheetah and Panther. So we're back into the cat world there. Comet appears to be off on its own. They've also reported that the Pixel 9 series is going to be reptile related, Komodo and Cayman. So again, Comet doesn't really fit in. And if they dig in a little bit deeper, they see that it was actually lumped in with the Pixel Fold and called a Fold by the app. As you can see down here, it is labeled as a Fold. So what is this device exactly? We don't know for sure, but it appears to be our first sighting of a code name for a new foldable device from Google. It could be the Pixel Fold 2, which we would expect, 1 year after the original Pixel Fold. So what are we now, like 8 or 9 months away from that? But maybe it's even something new. Maybe it's a flip. It's hard to believe that there's a flip coming and we've not heard about it. And let's think, if it is a flip and it's coming, it's not going to be like a half step, right? Like, we're not getting it, here in 2 days or 1 day actually with the Pixel 8. That's not happening. It's to be after that. But at a certain point, like maybe you could get to the 6 month away from the Pixel Fold mark, and then you would have Pixel 8, Pixel Flip, Pixel Fold going all around, but hard to imagine there's a Pixel Flip coming that soon, and we've not seen pictures of it. We've not, heard all about this thing because this is Google that we're talking about. Like, they can't keep anything from leaking. So I don't think it's anything coming super, super soon, but it would be really cool if maybe there's a comet and a meteor or something like that. Maybe there's a flip and a fold. I would absolutely love to see a Pixel Flip. I think my wife would as well. She loved her Galaxy Z Flip. But give us a Z Flip with Pixel software, Pixel cameras, the Pixel styling. Man, oh man, I think that is an absolute winner, especially if they can get the price in the same area right around that $1,000 mark like the Z Flip. Could be really, really interesting. There's not a whole lot more to say about this topic right now because it is so early. What I do want to say is, what do you think? I want to ask you guys that question. Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe this is a dumb question because you already know that the Pixel Fold 2 is coming. So of course you're going to hope that it's a Pixel Flip because that would be a new device, right? Unless you just hope that they don't make a Pixel Flip, which would be maybe a weird position to take. But at any rate, let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys. I will see you on the next one. Again, link in the description. Go click on it. Until next time, stay nerdy.